51 modern bedrooms with tips to help you design and accessorize yours. Wrap your tired eyes around this massive gallery of refreshing modern bedroom ideas and gorgeous bedroom accessories that are sure to wake you up. From ultra-sleek minimalist-style bedrooms to warm modern rustic decor schemes, from crisp white Scandinavian style to a cacophony of colorful options, there is something here to suit everyone. Discover truly creative headboard feature wall designs that incorporate extruded panels and integrated LED strips that will set your imagination all aglow. Find bags of designer bedroom lamps and pendant lights, slick modern bedside units, drawers and shelves and beautiful closets in which to store your very own daily catwalk collection to dress for success come morning. Give your modern bedroom design a platform. The low-slung platform bed has become a highly desired piece of modern bedroom furniture, and they come in a whole host of designs and finishes. This one is upholstered in an eye-catching red fabric over the base and an attached low-level headboard. A copper and grey paneled feature wall complement its russet tones. Color your way to a restful night's sleep. A vision of blue greets us in bedroom number 2. Blue is a serene and soothing color, and could help promote relaxation and sleep. Create a stunning headboard feature wall using light and shade. This design uses extruded panels and LED strip lights to make a truly unique installation that you won't find round your friend's pad. Double the style factor with a matching duo of Swish designer table lamps. Make a small bedroom feel bigger by installing a floor-to-ceiling frameless mirror. The reflection of the room in the mirror confuses the eye into seeing a larger space. Warm up a plain white bedroom scheme with modern wall sconces in gleaming copper. A bright accent chair will help the scheme to pop too. Unique ceiling fans are a must in warm climates. Consider the beauty of your ceiling fan as an integral part of the decor, as you would with a bedroom pendant light. Statement bedroom wall clocks make a nice alternative to an apologetic-looking tiny bedside alternative too. Headboard storage niches are a great option if space is limited for bedside tables. This bedroom design has both. Consider hanging a pendant light over the bedside unit instead of taking up valuable table space with a lamp. The contemporary chandelier in this scheme is a real showstopper. A bedside floor lamp is another trendy alternative. Choose wall-mounted bedside shelves rather than floor-standing units for a clean and crisp look. These two bedside shelves hold copper desk lamps on top and stow the usual bedside clutter out of sight in a shallow hidden drawer. Layer up bedroom lighting options. This design has an illuminated headboard feature wall, bedside table lamps and a ceiling light installation that looks like a sculptural piece of art. Visually anchor your bed in the room by placing a large area rug beneath it. It will also keep your toes cozy till you get your slippers on. Go asymmetrical with the bedroom pendant lights you hang over bedside units. It will loosen up a static layout. Reflective closet doors will make your bedroom feel bigger, rather than just closing off the occupied space. Minimalist bedrooms aren't just for minimalists. A tidy room promotes a tidy mind, and a tidy mind leads to restful sleep. Try decorating with light instead of color. Or even with colored light. If you can't settle on a specific color of light, buy LED strips with color-changing capabilities. Don't go too mad with a favorite color. If you've fallen in love with a bold bed or bedroom accent chair, then take it easy on the backdrop and go for a neutral shade to pull it all together. Open up the side of an ensuite bathroom. The latest bedroom designs feature open-plan bathrooms and shower rooms. The combined rooms certainly make the space feel a lot larger, but the exhibitionist nature of the layout perhaps isn't for shy types. A 4-poster bed always has, and always will, bring a certain something to a bedroom. Imagine this same room without the top frame on the bed. Just doesn't hit the same mark, does it? Forget about hanging your wall art. Propping a large piece of wall art on the floor, or even layering up a few pieces, evokes a cool laid-back atmosphere. Refresh your sleep space with the live-in greenery of indoor plants. If you like this geometric headboard wall design, check out these other great bedroom accent wall ideas. Wooden accent walls look cozy and warm, as if they are giving the bedroom a hug. This bedroom also has a beautiful wood-paneled frame that goes up and over a reading nook by the window. Make a modern rustic bedroom by combining a wooden feature wall with tree branch art and a decorative wall mirror framed by a handsome nest of twigs. Use a unique floor lamp as a central light in rooms with a lofty ceiling height. Mid-century modern bedroom furniture brings a relaxed yet ultra-stylish vibe. Bring a slice of your favorite place into your sleep space by painting a modern mural or adding decals like this Amsterdam-themed room. For more inspiration, take a look at these other city-themed bedrooms. Pick out some of the planks in a wooden feature wall with white paint or a darker stain. Add a modern bedroom bench at the foot of the bed for a polished high-end boudoir. Bring in found objects and patterned headboards to curate a modern bohemian bedroom. A Scandinavian bedroom is all about stylish simplicity. This uncomplicated aesthetic works perfectly for a modern kid's room. If you need something more uplifting than just a cup of coffee to get you up and at 'em in the mornings, then how about hanging some motivational art? Consider all of your color options. A room with lots of natural daylight doesn't automatically put all the decor possibilities in the light end of the color spectrum. A dark bedroom decor scheme could help you to feel cozy and cocooned. Zone a sleep space with a podium. A bedroom in a small studio apartment, or a large loft space like this one, can be zoned by building a step up from the rest of the open plan layout. The raised floor acts as a podium on which the bed and bedroom furniture can stand. A platform bed doesn't have to be all hard lines and sharp corners. Check out this curvaceous little number. Bring some sheen to the bedsides with oversized metallic globe pendant lights. Install a glass partition wall around an ensuite to open up the space but keep bathroom steam inside. Privacy curtains can be drawn around the outside when in use. Decorate with a shape theme. This bedroom has concentric circles swirling over the headboard, a circular area rug on the floor, and rounded pendant lights over the bedsides. Fashion a headboard storage wall. The extra storage cubbies compensate for the lack of space on small side tables. Make use of every available space. This built-in house bed sits flush with the eaves and has a bespoke bookcase at the opposite side. There are also bookshelves and cabinets in the space behind the bed. If this is a bit of you, then you'll love these other bedrooms for book lovers. Select dual-tone bedclothes. Even a bed of neutrals can look interesting if you mix and match two different colors, like this mid-gray and soft brown ensemble. Have your own boutique clothes store in your bedroom. With clear glass closet doors and some well-placed lighting strips along rails and shelves, you can create your very own chic fashion boutique that is poised to serve you every single day. Caution: these types of bedrooms with attached wardrobe on display are best suited to neat freaks and closet organization extraordinaires. Sleep amongst nature. This bedroom with courtyard design would make every night feel like camping, or glamping. Explore unusual rug ideas to bring texture to a plain bedroom scheme, like the pebble rug in this white bedroom. Throw off a samey color scheme with just one contrasting colored item. This sky blue bedroom has a single yellow chair to add a bit of sunshine. Soften an industrial-style bedroom backdrop with a cushioned headboard and upholstered bed base. A gray bedroom can be a base for many different colors. Sink to swim. This sunken floor bed design and sunken bathtub make a swimmingly good combo. Polish up a modern industrial bedroom with sleek furniture and designer lighting. 1. Gold accent planters. 2. Gold finish candle holder. 3. Nelson thin edge bed. 4. Atalo table lamp. 5. Gold paper origami pendant. 6. Grasshopper style floor lamp. 7. IC light S style pendant. 8. Womb style chair. 9. Side table with wireless charger.